Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another cook and clean with me, and today's recipe is a creamy garlic chicken recipe with broccoli and red potatoes. So if you'd like to see how I make this, then please follow along. I always start with most chicken recipes with flattening the chicken breast a little bit. It just makes it easier to cook, and they just cook a little bit more evenly in my opinion. So I'm just going to flatten the ones out that I'm using. I'm only doing 2 chicken breasts tonight because it is only my son and I. My husband is out of town while I make this. And then next I'm just going to cut up the broccoli and the potatoes and add it to the same pan.
Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know.
Next, I'm going to be adding the Campbell's oven sauces in the creamy garlic butter chicken, and these are actually really nice. They're one of my favorite things to use. You just add them on top of whatever you're cooking, whatever that packet requires, and then you just pour it on top, and then you just cook it in the oven, and then the sauce mixes with all of the food, and it tastes delicious. And it's just a super easy meal. And when I'm done adding the sauce, I'm going to put in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes.
No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me.
Now while our dinner is cooking, I am just going to clean up and do the dishes that I can right now. The best thing about this meal is that there isn't a lot of prep for it, so there's really not that much to clean. So I'm just going to do the dishes that I used. And I am still using the Mrs. Meyer's Peony dish soap, which is one of my favorites.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else.
Our dinner is finally finished cooking, and I just have to say it was absolutely delicious. We've had it before, and I think it is good every single time. So I highly recommend this. So I'm just going to plate a little bit for my son and some for me, and then we're going to enjoy it.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Now that we have finished eating, I'm just going to put away all the leftovers and clean up the kitchen, which is going to be a pretty easy task tonight. Like I said, there wasn't a lot of mess made preparing for it, so it's just going to be pretty easy. to start cleaning my counters, and I'm going to be using the Scentsy Counter Clean in the scent Amazon Rain. This is one of my favorites. I've mentioned it before in my videos that I do enjoy using the Scentsy Clean products. They clean my counters wonderfully, and the Amazon Rain is actually my husband's favorite scent. Cleaning my sink, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cleaner. I don't necessarily use this on a daily basis. Typically once a week I will use this cleaner and give my sink a great scrub, and it really does work well. It is a greener option to the Barkeeper's Friend in my opinion, and it's a great product. I'm going to be doing tonight is cleaning my garbage disposal, and I was recommended these Let Me Shine disposal cleaners by Carly Dawn, and they work absolutely fantastic. I love them. I will continue using them. I will make sure to link her video or her channel so you can see all of her videos. But this is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this cook and clean with me, and I hope it inspired you to maybe make a new recipe or try out those new Campbell oven sauces. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you'll stick around on my channel. Thanks!